Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my Ipsy unbagging. So if you want to see what I got in my Ipsy bag, then just keep watching. So the first thing I got wasn't actually in my Ipsy bag itself, it was in the packing envelope that was sent in, and it is these 5-minute facial masks. They have tea tree oil, rosehip extract, vitamin C, and it's supposed to enhance radiance, minimize pores, even skin tones, and it's supposed to be a primer for makeup applications. And I think the brand is BioBella, and it came with 2 of them. So I have to try these next time I do like a full face of makeup. And now into the actual bag. So the theme for this month is unzipped. It's all about embracing yourself. And this bag is probably my favorite bag that we've gotten. So I really like this color, and I like this lace detailing. But the only thing that's kind of weird that you can So the first product in the actual bag is this Luna highlighter by Luna, and this is in the shade Electra. So it is this like pearly highlighter. That looks really nice. And it's actually really reflective. Yeah, it's like a pearly, champagne-y kind of pink. Like it's kind of pink, and it's kind of like, I don't know, but it's really pretty. And I think for my skin tone, this would be a good match, because I think the other one was more of like a bronzy, and I don't think it would look good on my skin tone. So the next product in the bag is this Luxie brush. It is a Luxie 249, and it's dual-sided. So one side is like a packer brush, and then the other side is a fluffy blender. It's dual-sided. I store my brushes like straight, so dual-sided brushes are kind of, because then I have to find somewhere to store them like this, so that way one tip doesn't get damaged. But they both feel pretty soft, and I do have other Luxie brushes that I like, so. And the next thing I have is this Mellow Matte Liquid Lip Paint. This is in the shade Terran? I don't know. Tehran. It's kind of like a brownish red kind of color. It's definitely up my alley though, because I love colors like that. And the last thing in the bag is the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Concealer, and this is in the shade Light, and then parentheses it says Ultra Fair. Like I'm light, but I don't know if I'm ultra fair light. And that was weird. So not only did it have the box, but then it has like another frickin' seal. It's very light, but once it's blended out, it's not as bad. And it really did cover up quite a bit, actually. Yeah, it's not too bad once it's blended out. It'll probably work on me. It just depends. But yeah. So that is it for this month's Ipsy Unbagging. If you like what you saw and you want to subscribe to my channel, there'll be a circle over here with my face up that you can click on to subscribe. Or if you want to watch my most recent video, there'll be a box over here. You can click on it and watch my most recent video. And if you want to subscribe to Ipsy, there will be a link at the top of my description that you can click on and you'll be able to sign up for Ipsy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.